Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we learn about the modern method of beekeeping. So you can click the screenshot from here. Please subscribe this channel. There's a typical movable hive, then stand, beard, brood chamber, super queen excluded, honey extractor, uncapping knife, and that's so important. And in your exam, might be your professor put this question in the one marks. What is royal jelly? And also might be in the exam, honey. What is honey? Honey wax. That's terms you should prepare for your exam. I again say please subscribe this channel. So thank you guys to watch this video. Please subscribe this channel.